only knew the power of the dark side, it is your destiny.
Hello everyone, it is June 17th, 2014, and this is Take the Gate. And this is a story that was found on latest.com. It was written by somebody by the name of Igor Derysh, and it comes out of Kentucky. And it's about a mother who left two toddlers in the car while she went to get a bikini wax. Allegedly, this woman from Kentucky, Courtney Keeps, 22, left her 2- and 3-year-old sons in a hot, locked car while she went to get a Brazilian wax at a Louisville salon. The store owner heard the children screaming and contacted the police. According to reports, the temperatures were as high as 87 degrees in Louisville on that Wednesday afternoon. And she was arrested. And she is being held on a $500 bond and will see a judge. And this is on the Daily Mail, and this happened in the 2800 block of Frankfort Avenue. The owner of the salon said that the Click Salon and Spa would have allowed her to bring the children inside while she did get her wax done. She's been charged with a first-degree wanton endangerment and second-degree possession of a controlled substance and possession of drug paraphernalia. And from the other article, it says that they found a pill of codeine that was prescribed to her, and that they seized this snorting straw as drug paraphernalia. So this codeine was a prescription prescribed to her. This is Take the Gate. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Signing out.